how to make money with Google. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to make money with Google. So the step one is to make money with Google is to just to sign up to this platform. Step two, use Google, and step three, make money. So I want to be 100% honest with you from the start and remind you, if you're not willing to follow step-by-step tutorial, if you're not going to impatiently skip part and not even complete all of the C step, this is not going to work with you, and you can click off this video right away. But on the other side, if you just go through this entire tutorial, pay attention to all of these steps, not skip anything, and go implement all of these steps, this is the video one of the best decisions you made so far. So Google is a platform that has over 90 billion visits every single month. We can all use Google on a daily basis. Google is the biggest search engine in the world and the most visited website in the internet, and has over 90 billion consistent visits every single month. So there are 580 million businesses in the world, and most of them are registered through Google. And you will see exactly this is important, and how that it's gonna be beneficial for you making money with Google. And according to Google, there are over 10,000 cities worldwide so far this step. So I just selected the city worldwide. So for the step one, just like a city, one country, one city. For example, I will be focusing on Los Angeles in California, just an example. So the step two is to select some businesses. Think about some businessing like physical businesses, a restaurant, a coffee shop, and a gym. Whatever business you can think, or just create a list and focus on one of them. So for example, you have selected some city in Japan, or you can choosing Los Angeles. So now just think about the different businesses in different cities. For example, a gym in Los Angeles, a coffee shop in Los Angeles. Just think about different businesses that are available in that country. Okay, so I'm gonna actually tell you some businesses that I've been using in the past, so you can basically go over it. So some freelancing platform like you will see a People Per Heart. This is the best website to go through to make money. Just all you have to do is sign up over here. Once you create an account over here, you will see a lot of different platforms that you can make money by creating designs, digital marketing, videos, picture, which can provide for those businesses owners. The second website is Fiverr. Just you will first, all you have to do is to just log in to sign up with your account, even with Facebook, Google, or Apple. Once you done with your account, you just make a gig over here that says that what specialization do you have, what experience do you have. So you can write it down each and everything. When with every person, with any person needs that type of, like, you for example, that you are a social advisor, you are the digital marketing specialist, you have the experience about that. So if any person need that information, if any person needs a social marketer, marketer specialist, they will contact you, and they will ask you, they will create a payment plan. You're gonna tell about the services, about why should they hire you, why they provide them, their payments detail, each and everything. And the third website I want to be go through the this is the best for me. Yeah, I'm gonna say this is the best. It's Upwork. This is the best website to go through. You can make a lot of money from this website just to play sign up over there. But you should have any type of experience, as I told you, like for the designs, marketing, videos, picture, graphic designing, in services, in a business category. So you can go over some different freelancing platform and find professionally freelancing there, that gonna for a little bit cheaper, so that you're gonna make money, a middleman, so by drop servicing from different freelancing platform. So now, how you actually reach out those businesses and how you actually sell those services. Well, there was two different ways you can do this. So the first way is to open up the website, find their contact details, people, and do some cold calling and tell them what type of services you are providing and why should they hire you, and provide them their payment details. If you don't need a lot of clients to full-time living for doing this, but I'm not saying that this is not gonna be easy, but obviously it will require a lot of work time and effort. but it will definitely pay off, and it's a great way to help out those businesses owners which you can go through. So that's all. You can how do you make money with Google? Just you have to run a small businesses over here. Like as I told you, the first one is the physical business. Any country, any city, you just may go through with a gym or coffee shop, something like this is a small business. This is a physical business. When we were talking about the online businesses, this is a website, Upwork, Free Fiverr, and people. These are the bunch of different website, and the top three of that, as I told you, Upwork, Fiverr, and People per Hour. These are the top three websites you can make money by providing their services, them by writing, reading, designing. Like every you have like any type of experience, any type of specialist, you can go through. You can make money on that these websites. So make sure you found help with this video, and thanks for watching this video, and make sure you to subscribe that video. Thank you.